BPA-free pitcher. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Includes extractor blade, 24-ounce tall cup, 18-ounce short cup, handed lip ring and regular lip ring. Make sure you always have a clean Nutribullet cup and blade to whip up your favorite smoothie with the Nutribullet Deluxe Upgrade Kit. If you're always blending up yummy salad dressings, desserts, or fruit and veggie blends, make sure you always have a cup ready and waiting with the tall cup and short cup available in this kit. The handled lid makes it easy to grip and sip on the go. Top reviews from the United States. So glad to be able to get these replacement parts that were badly needed. Needed to replace Nutribullet parts due to apparent built-in obsolescence, plastic cups aged so the tabs broke off and cups needed replacing. Also the original blade base got food caked under the rubber gasket that did not wish to be removed for deeper cleaning. It is nice to be able to get these replacement parts when needed, as they certainly seem to be working as well as the original cups and blade worked when brand new. I am now not allowing a smoothie to sit between sips in the new cups, and rather transfer it right away to the older cups, thus making cleaning of both the new cups and blade very easy. I'm happy I finally bit the bullet to make this purchase. Obviously I appreciate the yummy and nutritious smoothies the refreshed Nutribullet provides. And did anyone realize, with your original flat blade you can convert cane sugar into a powdered sugar-like texture, which I do whenever a recipe calls for powdered sugar. It works just fine as a substitute for the store-bought. I have limited storage, so this is a big plus for me.